Global money markets are experiencing a strong fixed income rally and yield curve flattening as of June 25, 2026, driven by a sharp plunge in global crude oil prices and easing Middle East tensions. Long-term government bond yields on both sides of the Atlantic have declined significantly, while the US dollar consolidates near recent peaks amid shifting central bank expectations. Core drivers shaping the market today, the 25th of June 2026. Plunging energy prices. Brent crude fell below $74 as traffic resumed normal operations through the Strait of Hormuz, unwinding the war-related risk premium. This supply surge has drastically lowered short-term global inflation expectations. Central bank policy inertia. Under new chair Kevin Warsh, the Federal Reserve recently held its benchmark federal funds rate steady at 3.50% to 3.75%. Despite a hawkish higher-for-longer tone from the Fed, the drop in oil has led bond investors to bet that upcoming rate hikes may be avoided. Yield curve flattening. Massive buying of long-term bonds has flattened the U.S. 2- to 10-year yield slope to its shallowest level since March 2025. Investors are locking in longer-term yields ahead of May's U.S. PCE inflation data release. Remember to comment on which market data you want to see more of. Yield curve flattening. Massive buying of long-term bonds has flattened the U.S. 2- to 10-year yield slope to its shallowest level since March 2025. Investors are locking in longer-term yields ahead of May's U.S. PCE inflation data release. Liquidity and credit spreads. While government debt is heavily bid, U.S. high-yield corporate bond spreads have widened by 7 basis points to 277 basis points, signaling selective risk aversion regarding corporate credit stability. Currency and commodity realignment. The U.S. dollar index consolidated near 101.6 after striking new multi-month peaks. The dual pressure of a firm greenback and high real yields dragged gold prices under the psychological $4,000 threshold, marking a technical bear market correction. For a detailed perspective on how these plunging oil prices and moving yields are affecting international markets, comment Market Moves for more deep dive information. Disclaimer. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only and is not professional financial advice in any shape or form. Always, do your own research. Like and subscribe for more content like this.